Okay, this is Steve again with a quick video on some open and close effects in Compiz Fusion. I set the settings in Compiz Fusion to be completely random, and the open and close duration times are set to 350. I'm not sure, it's 350 milliseconds or 350. So that's a setting, 350 across the board for all the settings. And it's really kind of neat. It adds a lot of uniqueness to working with the windows. Here, I'll close this or minimize it. You can see what it does. So that one kind of flipped out backwards. If I open it again, though, it's completely random, and there's see that even the message boxes have those characteristics as well. So I'm going to open the browser again. Close it. So that one folded up like a card. That one just came up. That one kind of exploded. That one twisted up. I think that one. So, and I've got the neat. The that message window followed my mouse. Huh. I used show mouse settings to get the fire around the cursor. The pointer, so it looks like it's burning. You can turn that off with the super button, which is the Windows button, and they've got it set to work with the super and the letter K, so you hit those at the same time. You can turn it off. The Windows button, it's in between the Control and Alt key on my keyboard, so Windows button and K turns it back on. Wow, that one, I guess the settings are different, huh? It's changed characteristics. Okay, maybe that's set to random too, I don't know. Off, on, That's kind of wild. So anyway, back to opening and closing the windows. Now that one works sort of like puzzles or something. Shattered glass. That one flipped out backwards. That one exploded with like shattered glass. Remember, the duration set at 350. Now that one there, the burn took effect. It's burning into place. It's pretty neat, huh? Well, I just thought I'd show you what that one looked like an airplane flying in. So if you just wanted one of those settings, you can select just one of them if you like one more than any of the others, or you can have it on random. I just did this to see what all the different effects were. Like the airplane thing's pretty neat. Let's see. What you do is you go to System, Preferences, Compiz Config Settings Manager, which you can say CCSM, and use, like for show mouse, like I want to fix that. Looks like my cursor's flying through space. I'm going to try to fix that. Go to particle options. Maybe particle size. I don't know. Huh. That's better. Number of particles. Particle life. Background darkened. I don't know why it's not set to random. We could try. See if you click on random, then you get like random colors. Let's go back to General tab here. Radius 10. Oh, that's the distance away from the cursor. I had it set to 1. I think I had it set to 1. Maybe it was set to 10. Thought I had it on 1. Now it's on 1. Emitters. Anyway, you can play around with this and particle slowdown. Let's slow it down. Just slide these sliders and see what effects change. I don't know why. Whoa. You can't even see what you're doing. particle life, darken background. I don't know. You just have to mess with it. Rotation speed, emitters. So 7 emitters. It's kind of weird. I thought it was pretty consistent, but obviously it's not consistent, and I'm not sure. Maybe I have to turn it off and on. Some kind of a glitch, I don't know. Anyway, let's see, particle size. I don't like that. So I did have it set like it was burning. Anyway, I'm going to close this out. I'm tired of messing with it. And you can see how the windows, when I either minimize or close them. Oh, that's cool. See, I right-clicked on that to get the menu for that pane, and it flipped into place instead of just popping up, which is kind of neat. So I'm going to close that, and it's spun out of place, out of the zone. Even the real player, like when the real player opens up, which is an application, it has the random effects too. See, that kind of faded out the back way. That one came in like a beamed up, like kind of like a Star Trek. That one, oh, that one burned out of place. Kind of neat. Exploding pieces. That one zoomed away. So that one went out. One of them went out like a they call it the magic lamp. And folded out like a card, like wrapping paper or something. It's kind of neat. So you can play with that, and you can actually slow these down. What you do is you got about 2 more minutes. Go to System, Preferences, Compiz Config Settings Manager, and then we were at Show Mouse. Now we're going to go down to Animations, and if you want to increase the time, what you do is just like we set the burn before in one of the videos, you go to both of these lines. You get these lines like this says open animation, close animation, minimize animation. So double click on whatever you want to, whatever line you want to change information for. So you double click here. This would be for the open. It's set at 350. So double click on that line, and if you, let's say you want to make it 450, and you just put your cursor in the box. Change the 3 to a 4, and it's still set on random. We'll close that. You can do that on the next line, which is for other things. I think the first one was for like basic Windows opening. Then you have pop-up menus, drop-down menus, dialogue, modal dialogue, normal. So double-click on that. Go to the box, delete the 3, replace it with a 4. So now it's at 450. Added 100. Which that's what I was doing to figure out. It's kind of neat. It's working a little more slowly, not bad slow, just a little more obvious as to what the characteristics are. Okay, got about a minute. Go to close animation, double click, get rid of the 3, put in a 4, close that. Double click, get rid of the 3, put in a 4, close that, double click, 8, 4. Okay, now I went through every one of those lines. Minimize, double click, delete the 3, put in the 4. Okay, I think this video's about done. Yeah, I gotta shut this down. We'll make another video and show you the results.